Imagine earning real rewards just by playing your favorite games or completing simple tasks. No strings attached. In this video, discover how a free app transforms your playtime into instant earnings, making every minute count. Don't let your gaming skills go unrewarded. Turn fun into financial gain today. Watch now and start claiming your instant rewards with this game-changing app. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Make your playtime pay off with the Tyr Rewards app. Every minute you spend gaming or doing simple tasks gets you instant rewards. Seriously, it doesn't get any easier than this. Tyr Rewards is a free GPT app where you can actually earn money just by playing mobile games, taking surveys, and inviting your friends to join in. Pretty sweet deal. You can get Tyr Rewards on both Android and iOS. It's totally legit. It has racked up over 1 million downloads and is seriously popular, rocking a 4.5-star average from more than 217,000 reviews. The main way to earn points is by participating in surveys or completing gaming offers. These activities provide reliable opportunities to quickly accumulate points, making them the best choices for maximizing your rewards. And don't overlook the power of referral bonuses. By participating in this program, you can earn valuable bonus points every time your referral earns. It's a straightforward and rewarding way to boost your earnings simply by sharing the opportunity with others. When it comes to rewards, there are loads of choices like PayPal, Sephora, StubHub, Wayfair, JetPenny, AMC, Schmax, Marshalls, and Home Goods. So you've got plenty of cool options to pick from. Don't miss out. Download Tyr Rewards now and start earning cash today. It's free, fast, and there's zero risk. The sooner you start, the more you earn. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.